Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's the Keki Duck here. Thank you for coming back, and if you're new here, you're going to love it. If you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. We learn all things cake decorating, and even if you're a beginner, you're going to learn a lot. Today we're making this lovely cake, and I'm just going to start by assembling my equipment. So that's the cake board I'm going to use. It's a wooden cake board. I've made a video all about cake boards. I'm going to put the link up there so you know, look at it. So they have the spatula, the scrapers, the piping, a bag that I'm going to use, and yeah, the ruler to measure the dowel, the garden shears I'm going to use to cut the dowel. I'm also using sugar syrup and of course the cake and then the buttercream I'll be using for my crumb coat. So let's start decorating. So first off, I'm going to measure my center dowel to the size that I want it to be. So this is going to be a 6 by 8. It's actually supposed to be a 6 by 8 cake, so I cut the size into 8, but eventually of course it turned out to be a 6 by 9, because when you assemble the buttercream of course gives you some height as well. So I'm adding my sugar syrup. I've also explained how to make a sugar syrup, just equal parts sugar, equal parts water, boil it, allow it to cool down, and that's your syrup. It helps to make your cake moist, just keep it moist. And so that buttercream I'm using is the Swiss meringue buttercream. It's my go-to buttercream. It's not sugary, but it's absolutely delicious. It's silky on the mouth. It's easy to make. I'll leave a link up there so you can see how to make it. And then I'm just assembling my layer. So I have the vanilla, the chocolate layer, another vanilla layer, and the chocolate layer is gonna go on top as well. I'm gonna leave a link as well on my go-to vanilla cake recipe. I'm here for you guys, like everything you need to become a pro cake baker, you can get it on this channel. So just go through with me and you're gonna become a pro. So yeah, so you saw that I used 2 different cake scrapers, the taller one of course for a longer cake and the shorter one. And so what I'm doing here is just I'm actually applying the crumb coat. So you don't have to put too much buttercream because it's a crumb coat, so you don't have to make it too thick. All you need to do is just a thin layer to just gather the crumbs. And yeah, because you're still gonna apply a coat above it. Yeah, so that's just what I'm doing there, applying the buttercream and scraping it out. Initially when you start, it may take you some time. When I started, sometimes it could even take me up to 1 hour to get this crumb coat right, but right now it takes me like 10 minutes and I'm done. So just practice makes perfect. With practice you're gonna get it all right. Yeah, so that's your crumb coat done. Yeah, and then we're gonna pop it in the fridge to firm up while we prepare other things. I forgot to add the video where I actually did the first coat, because I did the first coat with a white ganache. So now I'm preparing the final coat with the navy blue ganache. So this is ganache I just added because I didn't, the navy blue color I had wasn't giving me the color I wanted with the ganache, so I decided to then use buttercream as the final coat. So you're gonna see how it works. So I am actually adding my royal blue Americolor coloring to this buttercream. So this is actually buttercream, but I've already applied a white ganache to the cake. Now you can see that that is the navy blue that I had, and that's on the white chocolate. So what I'm pouring there is the navy blue on the white chocolate, but I didn't like that color. That was not the color the client wanted, so wanted a more vibrant navy blue. So I had to then mix up that navy blue chocolate on this royal blue Swiss meringue buttercream to be able to give me a navy blue. Of course, still that color is not what I'm looking for, so I had to then use the immersion blender, which emulsifies fat and just brings out the color, a more vibrant color. So on doing that, it then gave me a deeper and richer navy blue color, which you're gonna see when I'm gonna start decorating it. See the difference. Yeah, you're gonna see how it all turns out. But yeah, in cake decorating, it's all about creativity, improvising. If you don't have the exact color you want, you can mix and match colors to get what you want. And of course, because you don't want your clients to just be eating all color, that's why you have to first do a coat with white ganache or buttercream. Just cover it first with white before you then apply a thin layer of the color you're gonna use as your final coat. If not, it's all gonna be a mess, when the whole cake is all coloring. So yeah, so that's the final, that's the white ganache. So this is not the crumb coat. The crumb coat was a bit thinner, so I then applied another. I'm sorry, I don't know where the video went, but yeah, so that is white ganache coat on top of the crumb coat. And I'm just removing the excess and just to get that smooth, sharp edge there. And now comes the very deep, rich navy blue color, which was what the client actually wanted. And yeah, I was so happy about how it turned out. Because that is exactly like when I walked into the hall with the cake and I saw the decoration, the balloons, tables. I was like, yes, I got it. Like I got the exact color. It would have been so bad for me if I didn't get the color of the day. And you can imagine the cake looking maybe, I don't know, light blue or one very dull navy blue, and the other aesthetics just didn't match. I don't know, I wouldn't have felt great. And I was a guest at this birthday party as well, so it's not one where you just drop the cake and run off. It's one where the cake is going to be staring at you throughout the event, and I needed to feel happy and proud of my work. So I was so happy when I got the color right. And so that's me applying just a very thin layer there. Ideally, to be honest, in this weather, the final coat should actually also be ganache, so that it's because ganache is more stable and all that. But the coloring that I had, there was no way I could achieve the color I wanted to achieve with the mix and match with the ganache. I don't know, so I just needed to improvise, and with the time I had, so I used buttercream for the final coat, and thank God it turned out well. The weather wasn't too bad, and of course underneath it is ganache, so it was still stable. It didn't be like melt. But yeah, so I'm just adding to that. Those are my decorative balls I already made. I have a video on how to make these balls, so I'm gonna attach it as well, so you should know how to make these balls. So the blue balls I already made with styrofoam balls dipped in chocolate. So you saw that navy blue chocolate that I was adding before. Yep. So that's the color of that navy blue. Yeah, which I didn't like and I didn't want to use for my ganache. For my final coat, but I could then use that color for the decorative balls. And yeah, the design the client wanted was one with some dried flowers. So I'm gonna put a link again on the where I got these flowers from. I got them from Amazon. So if you want the exact flowers I used, you can get it from Amazon. Of course, before putting the flowers into the cake, I had to like wrap them in foil so that it protects the content of the, I don't know, well, so that there's a protection. So yeah, that's what I'm doing there. So yeah, and then just just look at it creative. Just look at where you want the flowers to be and just put it down there. Don't think too much about it. Just put it. And that's it really, guys. That is your cake. The second one, that second palm stuff didn't come with the pack. I just had an extra one that I wanted to add, so I just attached an adhesive behind the first palm, I don't know what's this called, fan, something like that, and yeah, and just attach it, and that's how. So guys, just take a look at this gorgeous, beautiful cake. I was so proud of myself. I was so happy. I got so many compliments about this cake, and I'm so glad it turned out right. So yeah, this is the 40th birthday. If you've not subscribed to this channel, come on guys, just take a look at the background. Just take a look. Just take a look. Just take a look. It complimented everything, the backdrop, everything, the gold, the balloons. It just, yep. So guys, see you later. Bye.